Rolled Alloys has been supplying specialty materials for over 60 years.
We're a very service-oriented company. We believe in the customer first. It's about trying to get the right material to them on time, as fast as we can.
Our breadth of inventory from specialty metals to commercial grade stainless is pretty much unparalleled.
Rolled Alloys constantly is looking to have the competitive edge. They continue to invest in their equipment.
We can laser cut material up to 1.5 inches thick. We've got water jets, 5-axis water jets. We've got abrasive plate saws. We've got a lot of different material for satisfying customer orders.
We have an incredibly talented staff. We pride ourselves on the technical knowledge that we have. We have metallurgists on staff.
In this lab, we do a lot of investigations on materials for customers.
We have thousands of active customers. Some of the primary industries that we serve are thermal processing, chemical processing, power generation, aerospace, and oil and gas.
Quality is something that we take very seriously here. We make sure that it's the right alloy, it's the right tracer, it's got complete traceability. We invest a tremendous amount of money on what we call PMI guns. Those detect what type of material it is.
I'm coming up with a PMI 2205.
In the Rolled Alloys family, we've got different shops that specialize in different materials like round bar or thin material. Here in Temperance, we handle mostly large flat stock. We can handle up to 6-inch thick material.
The idea is for us to have a global reach, but a local touch. And we strive to be able to get product in someone's hand within 1 to 2 days by having all those different locations.